y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We're gonna make another Ninja Creamy recipe. It's gonna be vanilla bean mint chocolate chip with peppermint extract. I've got a cup of heavy cream in my bowl. It needs to be used up. It's really windy and stormy outside. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of 1 2/3 cup of milk. We're going to add the tiniest splash of peppermint extract, like 1/8 teaspoon, I think. You ain't gotta add it, but just for the festivities, we're adding a little bit of food coloring, a little bit of vanilla paste. Ooh, splashing everywhere. Oh my goodness, what a mess. We're also gonna add some vanilla. We're going to add about 1/2 cup of sugar, maybe a little light. And I have some softened. I need to soften it again because it's really cold. We're gonna mix it all up. This is cream cheese. I'm just gonna use this knife to combine this. Get that sugar to dissolve. Might add a little bit more food coloring. In comparison to my apron, that's not very bright. Could change after we freeze it. We'll add 1 more drop. Oh yeah, that's better. You don't have to add that. Get this in there and mix that up. We haven't tried any other ice cream devices, but we do enjoy the Ninja Creamy. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I just took out some vanilla bean ice cream from this tub, so I can put this one in here. Now hopefully it pours okay. Oh yeah, perfect. Just going to use this silicone spat to get all this out. And we will throw it in the freezer and I'll see y'all. Oh, and if you throw it in the freezer without the lid on, it'll freeze more flat. I'm gonna throw this in the freezer and we'll see y'all in 24 hours. Alright y'all, here's the mint ice cream out of the freezer. Beautiful. It's about the same color as the lid. We're just going to insert it into the machine. There's little like tabs on the bottom that just set into those little shapes. Locks it in. Line these lines up. Click it in. Straight in. And then twist it. Lock it. Power. We're just gonna we'll do the full ice cream. Alright y'all, the girls just got a snack in case you can hear that. We push this button on the side, twist it, pull it out, push this button, twist it off. Beautiful. Y'all, that's so good. Whoa, that's really good. I'm gonna get one of my long spoons just because. Usually we do a double spin. Look at that. Ooh. Carefully scrape these sides a little bit. The sides get pretty icy, so you just scrape them down a little bit. And usually it gets better with the second. Alright y'all, the girls just got a snack in case you can hear that. We push this button on the side, twist it, pull it out, push this button, twist it off. Beautiful. So good. Whoa, that's really good. I'm gonna get one of my long spoons just because. Usually we do a double spin. Look at that. Ooh. Carefully scrape these sides a little bit. Now sometimes the sides get pretty icy, so you just scrape them down a little bit. And usually it gets better with the second. Usually it gets better with just a mix-in, really. And we'll do dark chocolate chips. Kind of get the little ice off the sides. Oh, almost lost it. I don't know about y'all, but Great Value mint chocolate chip is bomb. Da bomb. So kind of just scooch this down. Put a hole in the middle. That's really good. You may think it's weird, but you do it with peppermint, not mint extract. Just get these chips and put them in your little hole. The little tunnel. You put them in there, put as many as you like, whatever you like, and I kind of just scrape this stuff off. Now we just put the lid back on, line the lines up, click it, boom, click it. Now we're gonna do mix in. Then hopefully it's nice and smooth and creamy and good. All right, y'all, it just finished. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, super smooth. Look at that, really soft. Mint chocolate chip, y'all. It's like a St. Patrick's Day spring inspo. Really good. You got a little bit of an ice crystal, but you also have it very smooth. So I could put a tiny bit of milk and put it in this little tunnel, like a tiny bit of milk. A couple drops. And then hopefully that'll just go all over. And we'll do a respin, full respin. Alright, y'all, now if it's a little too runny, at this point you can throw it back in the freezer for a minute, and look at that, it shredded those chocolates up a little bit more too. That's delicious. Now if it's a little too soft and runny for you at this point, you can throw it back in the freezer. It'll harden up a little bit but still be soft. Look at that. Beautiful. So delicious. Now, my family's about to have a movie night. Don't you even get me started. Put a couple chocolate chips on top, and you have a perfect movie night snack that the whole family will enjoy. If you like chocolate and if you like mint ice cream, put it in a bowl, in a cone, have it with cake, brownies, cookies, anything. So good, so creamy, so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed and give some homemade ice cream a try. We appreciate y'all for watching and joining us in our kitchen. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, y'all, it needed a little more peppermint flavor, but obviously my family enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit. See you guys soon.